everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create post on IMVU. So let's get started. Begin by launching your IMVU application. Now tap on your profile picture icon. Select the post option, which is between About and Followers option. Now tap on Post Now button. Among these three options, select any one of them. Now create a post. You can change the background color. Once you're done, tap on the post button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how we can create post on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.